Metaverse, a Vyug perspective. Imagine a world where the lines between the real and the virtual blur, a place where you can step into a digital universe, interact with friends, explore new worlds, and even work or play. That's the metaverse. At Vyug, we believe the metaverse is more than just a gaming platform or a social media trend. It's a new frontier for human interaction, innovation, and economic activity. We envision a metaverse where, from attending a concert to exploring a historical site, everything feels authentic and immersive. People from around the world can connect, collaborate, and build meaningful relationships. Businesses can experiment with new products and services, and creators can share their vision with a global audience. Key elements of Vyug's metaverse. Our metaverse will be compatible with other platforms, allowing for seamless movement between different virtual worlds. We believe in a decentralized approach that empowers users and creators. Our metaverse will be designed with environmental impact in mind, using sustainable technologies and practices. Vyug's ecosystem. To realize our vision, we're building a comprehensive ecosystem that includes our native cryptocurrency, powering transactions and incentivizing participation within the metaverse. A secure and user-friendly wallet for storing and managing Vyug tokens and other digital assets. A marketplace for buying, selling, and trading unique digital items, from art and collectibles to virtual real estate. Our production studio, creating high-quality content and experiences for the metaverse. A platform for businesses to sell goods and services within the metaverse. The metaverse is a vast, untapped potential. At Vyug, we're committed to building a metaverse that is inclusive, accessible, and beneficial for everyone. Join us on this exciting journey as we shape the future of human connection and experience.